In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use the Canon Pixma TS6550i printer. So I'll show you how to load the ink, I'll show you how to install the paper, connect the printer to the Wi-Fi and print absolutely everything. Start by removing the plastic on the printer's control panel and then come to the side and remove the orange tape. Turn the printer around and take the orange tape off of the back. Then to power the printer on, take your power cord and turn the printer around, and you'll see the power port goes in the back right of the printer, just here. Go ahead and turn the printer on by pressing this button. You should see the green light and the Canon appear on the printer's screen. On the left and right side of your printer, you'll see that there is two handles. Go ahead and lift it up like this. You don't need to worry about holding it in place because the latch will hold it for you over here. Then we're going to take the ink cartridges out of this plastic packaging. So just go ahead and take this off. And then here we have our black ink. You'll see that there is an orange strip on it. You need to take that strip off, but make sure not to touch the print head or the contacts here. Then we'll go ahead and do the same with the color ink cartridge. With the lid open, the two ink trays will slide to the left of the printer. You'll see the color and the black on the right. Simply push this forward and pull it up and do the same with the black one. So we're now ready to insert the ink cartridges. We'll take the color one first and then simply slide it in at an angle, and then it will fall flat like this. I'll do with the black ink. So place it at a bit of an angle and make sure the contacts is facing here. Once you've inserted both ink cartridges, just close these two blue lids, making sure they click into place. To close the printer's lid, you need to lift it up to release the latch and then force it down. So don't be afraid to apply a bit of pressure. The printer screen is then going to ask you to start alignment. We're going to press OK for yes, and then it will ask us to load A4 or letter sized paper into the printer. So if you come to the front of the printer, you'll see that there's two trays. You'll see that this top tray, this is actually where the paper comes out. So you want to close this one and pull this one out at the bottom. This is our paper tray. So pull it out, and it can actually come out the entire way like this. You'll see that there's two blue tabs on it. You have one for the width of the paper here, so if you just push it with your thumb all the way across, and then we have one for the length. So we have our different sized paper. We want to pull this right to the bottom so that A4 size paper can fit. It should look like this. And go ahead, get your paper, make sure it's aligned, and just insert it between the two blue tabs. Once you've done that, press the width one so it's nice and tight against the paper. And then we'll go ahead and insert it back into the printer with the paper properly loaded. Once you've inserted the paper, pull out the paper tray because it's going to print the print quality page. So here it is here. It should look like this. Then it's going to ask if you want to enable automatic firmware updates. So I'm going to enable this just so it happens automatically and you don't need to worry about it. And now we have our main screen for the printer. To connect the printer to our phone, we need to download the Canon Print app. So go ahead on your App Store or Play Store, search for Canon Print. It's the official app by Canon. So download and open it. Then you'll get this pop-up. I'm going to check this box and agree to all of them. Then press OK. Then I'll ask the app not to track. It's then going to ask you to allow Canon Print to find devices on local networks. You need to press allow, and then in the bottom right, press add/switch, and then register printer. So that's going to start to search for your printer right away, and it might appear here, but often than not, you need to press this button at the bottom. It says if printer cannot be found, and then we will press no. From here, select auto connection, and then it's going to ask, does your printer have a button like this? And ours does. So we'll press yes, and then it's going to ask you to press and hold that button for 3 seconds. So it's this button just here. Press and hold it for 3 seconds. Then if you come back to your phone, check this box, then press next. It should automatically find your printer. Press OK. And now we can see that the Wi-Fi setup has begun, so you just need to wait from here. After a few seconds, it should find your Wi-Fi name with the check mark beside it. Press next at the top right. Then it will say that it's joining your network. After a while, you'll get this setup complete message, and then you should also see the confirmation on the printer screen. So press done. And now we just need to do some more waiting. When you get this pop-up, you need to allow Canon Print to use location. So I'm going to press allow while using the app. And then they're going to try and sell us on their ink, but we can register later. You don't need to do it. And then finally, I'll press later. So now the printer is connected, and you can see it says online at the top. If you press the printer at the top, you'll be able to check the ink levels and see some more information. So here is the home screen. You have two options. You can either select document print or photo print, just depending on what it is. So I'm going to select document, and then go into my phone's files, and then find whatever it is you want to print. Once you've chosen it, press next here. And then it's going to ask if you want to check the manual on how to replace the paper. We'll press no. And now if you come to the top, you can change some settings here. So you can change the amount of copies that you need. You can change the page range. So I have 3 pages in this, but I only want the first one. So I'll press 1:1. And then we have some more options here. So we can change the color as well if we want to black and white, if you wanted to save the color ink. Finally, press print at the bottom. And then you need to confirm that you're printing for the first time. So press OK. And that's going to begin to print. So make sure you have this paper tray pulled out so the paper doesn't fall on the floor. And here is our very first print using the Canon Pixma TS6550i. You want to flip over this lid at the top of the printer. Then take the item that you want to scan, and then we're going to place it face down on the glass like this. Once you've done that, you'll see that there's an arrow in the top left. Make sure it's pressed up against that arrow, and then you can close the printer lid. Come back to the Canon Print app, and you'll see the scan button here. So you can change the scan settings. You can change it just depending on what it is you're scanning. You can change the color along with the size. Simply come to the bottom and press on scan, and then you'll hear the printer in the background begin to scan your item. Once you're done, you have 2 options. You can either choose to scan another one. So if you had maybe 5 documents, you could take the first one out, put the next one in, and then you would press scan. And then once you're complete with your scan, press the exit button here. It's going to show you a preview, and then to save it or share it, press this button in the bottom left, and you can save it as a JPEG or a PDF document. From here you can send it to your contacts, you can email it, and you can save it to your phone's files, which is what I'll do now. And now it's been saved to my phone. To use the printer on a computer, we need to download the printer's drivers. So you need to come to this link here. I'll leave it in the description down below. Once you're on this page, make sure your operating system is selected. And then you want to click here under individual drivers. Come to the right and click download, and then click download once more. That's going to begin to download the drivers onto your PC. So just wait until this finishes, and then we're going to open the file. Click yes here. Let the program finish installing, and then you'll get this pop-up. Press next. And now you need to select your region, so just wherever you live. I'm going to press the Europe one, then click next. And then we need to agree to the terms, so press yes here. And then it should find your printer automatically here in the list, so click on it and make sure it's highlighted, and then press next. And it's now going to begin to install the drivers needed for our printer to work properly. Once you download the drivers, it should automatically add the printer to your computer. So to check that, click on the Windows button and then search for printers and scanners. You can see here it's added it automatically, but if it doesn't, you can come to the top right and click on this add device button, and then it should find your Canon TS6550 series. So to print from here, you just need to come to your computer's files and then open up whatever it is you're wanting to print. And in the top right, you should see this print button. Sometimes it might be in the top left, but if you can't find it, you can always press Ctrl+P, and that's going to open up the printer settings here. So you just need to wait for it to connect. So this is what it should look like under printer. Click the drop down menu and make sure your printer is selected. And then you can change the amount of copies that you want. You can change it from color or black and white, and some more settings here. And then finally click this print button here. And here we are. Click on the Windows button in the bottom left and search for printers and scanners. And then click into your printer series. So you should see the scanner settings to the right. If this says Get Scanner instead of Open Scanner, that means you need to open up the Microsoft Store on your computer and search for Windows Scan. This is the official app by Windows, and it will let you scan your documents. So go ahead and download this app. Then if you come back to printers and scanners, we'll open up the scanner. And in the top left, make sure that your printer is selected. And you can also change a few settings here. So you can change the format. Then we're going to open up the printer lid. Get the item that you want to scan and place it face down on the glass like this. To align it with the printer's scanner, press it up against this arrow in the top left. Then close the lid and come back to your PC. Then come to the bottom and click on this scan button. Once it's done, you'll see that it's available to view. If you click this button at the top, it's going to show you how it turned out, and you can also go into your computer's files to look at it. Place whatever it is you want to copy on the scanner glass. Make sure you place it face down, and then close the lid. From the printer's menu, click OK on copy. Then we can use these arrow keys to navigate the copy settings. So if you click on copies, you can change the amount by just pressing this up or down arrow key. Then we'll press OK. And now we can also change some other settings. So you can change it from one-sided or two-sided if you want. And finally, when you've got your settings done, come back to this screen and then you want to press this button. So you have two options. You have our black copy button or you have your color copy button. So just press whatever it is you want. In my case, I want 2 black copies. So here you should see it on the printer screen, and then here are my copies.